I'm actually very excited for Sujan 2 concert because I've traveled all the way from London.
So I'm very excited for the Sujan and the Infinity. Like, this is the first time it's happening at Nepal, and for me and everyone presenting over here, like, we're very excited.
एकदम रमाइलो हुनेवाला छ है त Yes, एकदमै looking forward to have एकदमै धेरै fun.
Look, म त कस्तो एकदम भयो.
Sujan Chapagai and the Infinity Band, you guys are amazing.
Make you fall in love with him once again. Please welcome with a huge round of applause, Sujan Chapagai and the Infinity.
जुन हेर्नु तिमी माथि माथि सागरको जुन हेर्नु तिमी माथि माथि सागरको म हेर्छु मेरो जुन तिम्रो
Once again, let's give it up for Sujan Chapagai and the Infinity.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much for such a magical performance tonight.
Thank you so much सबैलाई फेरि पनि यो साँझमा तपाईहरुको सहभागीले हामीलाई अझै यो साँझलाई अझै उज्यालो बनाएको छ। हामीले सपना देखेका थियौं, त्यो सपनालाई बोकेर आज हामी करिब नजिक आउँदै छौं। वैशाखको 26 उनको स्वेटर सबैले गएर हेर्दिनु होला र धेरै धेरै माया दिनु होला र रेस्पोन्स गर्नु होला।